Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, today we will discuss the chapter 6 of English literature. The name of the book is Honeysuckle. Dear students, the chapter name is Who I Am. Dear students, in this chapter it is divided into so many parts, but we had to study only first part, that is many voices. Dear students, in this part we will discuss, we will see, we will read about many children, and in this the children are expressing his or her views, what they want to become, okay, and what are their favorite things. Okay, students, just see here, there are so many students, there are so many children: Radha, Nasir, Rohit, Sarbjit, Dolma, Peter. The students, these are the name of children, okay, and these children are expressing his or her view, what they want to do in future, and what are the things they like most. Okay, students, just see, it is given at the page number 69. Page number 69. Just see, many voices. Many voices mean the voice of these children. Okay, in this part there are voices of 6 children. Okay, we will discuss one by one about Radha, about Nasir, about Rohit, about Sarbjit, about Dolma and Peter. Okay, so just say, students, first of all it is given Radha. It is given at the page number 69. You can also see of your Honeysuckle book. Just say, students, Radha was saying, my favorite activity is climbing tree. Here Radha was saying that her favorite activity is what? Climbing the trees. Just say, my favorite activities is climbing trees. Just outside our house there is a mango tree which I love to go up. And Radha was saying that there is a mango tree in front of the house of her. And there is a mango tree in the front of outside of her house. Okay. And she also loved to go up. It means she liked to climb up on the branches of the tree. Okay, students, just see, its branches spread out, and she was also explaining that how the tree is. She is saying that its branches are spread out. Spread out means it is scattered. Scattered means फैला हुआ. ठीक है, इसके branches क्या है, बहुत फैले हुए हैं, बहुत ढेर सारे हैं. So it's simple to climb up the tree. Therefore, its branches are spread. Therefore, it is simple to climb up the tree. Okay, students. So just see, I can sit comfortably in fork. And she was also saying that she can sit on the branches of the tree. Fork means, students, there is a gap divided into 2 parts. There are sometimes we find that branches of the tree, suppose that is branch, it is divided into 2 parts. So she can sit here. Okay. So it is written here, I can sit comfortably in fork of 2 branches. In fork of 2 branches. Okay. Fork means divide into 2 parts, 2 points. Okay. Just see, I can sit comfortably in the fork of 2 branches. And she was saying that she can sit on the branches of the tree, on the mango trees, comfortably. And just see, my mother tells me it is not sensible for girls to climb trees. And her mother also used to say that it is not good for the girls to climb up the tree. It is not sensible. It is not good habits for the girls to sit on the mango trees, to climb on the mango trees. But one afternoon she climbed up too. But what happened? She used to tell, but one day she also climbed up the tree. Her mother also, Radha's mother also climbed up the tree. And just see what happened there. And both of us sat there talking and eating raw mangoes. And she was also explaining that both Radha and her mother, sat on the branches of the tree and they were talking there, and they also ate so many raw mangoes. Okay, raw means kacha mango. Just see, raw. And both of us sat there talking and eating raw mangoes. And she was also explaining that both Radha and her mother sat on the branches of the tree and they talked there, and they both also ate the raw mangoes. Come to the next. When I am high up in the tree, and Radha was explaining again. When she was on the top of the branches of the tree, then I feel like I can rule the whole world. And at that moment, when she was on the top of the branches, she feel that she is ruling over the country. Okay, she is ruling over the world. I feel like I can rule the whole world. Radha was saying that when she climbed on the top of the branches of the tree, at that moment, at that time, she feels that she is ruling over the world. Okay, students? So this is all about the Radha. Radha explained that she used to like climbing up the tree, and her mother also scolded her for climbing up the tree, and she said that it is not sensible for a girl to climb up the tree. But one day what happened? Her mother also climbed on the tree, and both were talking there, and both also ate some raw mangoes. And she was also narrating that when she is on the top of the branches of the tree, at that moment she feels that she is ruling over the world. Okay, students, so this is the view, this is the voice of Radha. Okay, so students, in this way there are so many children who is expressing his or her view in this chapter, what they want to do and what is his or her desires. Okay, come to the next, that is Nasir. Okay, we have read about Radha. Now we will discuss about Nasir. Just see, who is Nasir and what is his wish? Just see, when I grow up, Nasir was saying also what he was saying. When I grew up, I want to become a seed collector. And she was saying, he is a boy, Nasir is a boy. He was saying that when he will grow up, he will become what? Seed collector. He wants to become a seed collector. Just see, I want to become a seed collector. We had cotton field in our village, and he was also explaining that he has a cotton field in his village. And what happened there? And every year my father spent a lot of money on buying new seeds to grow up the cotton plant. And he was also explaining, he was also telling us that his father spent so much money to buy the new seeds of the cotton every year. Therefore, he wanted to become a seed collector. He wanted to invent something so that he could preserve the seeds. Dear students, we will discuss that thing in the chapter. Just see, we have cotton fields in our village. Nasir was explaining that he had also the cotton fields in his village, and his father spent a lot of money to buy the seeds of cotton. Just see, my father spent a lot of money to buying new seeds to grow our cotton plant. He was saying that his father buy new seeds to grow the cotton plants every year. Every year he has to purchase what? Cotton seeds to sow in the field. Okay, to grow up the cotton plants. So just see, what is his wish? My grandfather told me that many years ago he could collect the seed from his old plant and which could be sown to grow new plants during the next year. And he was also explaining that his grandfather used to tell him that in ancient time and before few years ago, many years ago, he could collect the seed from the old plants. He was saying that his grandfather told him that before many years they collect the seed from the old plants, and that they collect the seed from the old plant and they keep that seeds safely, and they use that seeds to sow in the next year. यानी कि क्या करते थे पहले के समय में, उनके ग्रैंडफादर ने बताया कि वो जो सीड्स जो प्लांट से निकलते थे उसको प्रिजर्व करके रख लेते थे घर में, फिर उसी सीड को अगले साल क्या करते थे, उसको बोते थे प्लांट उगाने के लिए, नया कॉटन प्लांट्स उगाने के लिए। लेकिन अब क्या हो गया कि चेंज हो गया बहुत सारी चीजें, अब वो कॉटन सीड्स काम नहीं करते हैं। जैसी है my grandfather told me that many years ago he could collect seed from his own plants. He was saying that he could collect the seed from his own plants, which could be sown to grow new plants. Which could be sown to grow new plants. And he was explaining that his grandfather used to say that many years ago they keep the seeds and they use that seeds for growing the new plant next year. Okay, just see. Sown to grow new plants during the next year. But today that doesn't work so. But nowadays it doesn't work so. Every year we had to purchase the seeds. So we had to spend money to buy new seeds every single year. So every year he has to buy, his father has to buy the new seeds and spend so much money on the seeds. Therefore he decided, what he decided? To preserve that things. To new seeds every single year. I want to find out why that is so. And Nasir was saying that he wants to find out the reason behind it, why it happened so, why we are unable to grow that seeds next year. Just see, I want to find out why that is so. I want to learn how to preserve seeds. And he was also saying that he wants to learn, he wants to know how to preserve the seeds for the next year. Just see, how to preserve seeds so that we could use them again and not spend money every year, so that he could save the money, so that he could preserve the seeds for the next years, and in this way he could save the money that his father spent every year to buy seeds. Okay, students, in this paragraph Nasir was saying that he wanted to purchase, he wanted to preserve the seeds of the previous years. So he decided to know, he decided to learn, he decided to preserve the old seeds, to keep their seeds for the next year, to grow, to sow the plants. Okay, so in this way he wanted to save the money of his father as well as others also. Therefore he wanted to become seed collectors, so that he could preserve the seeds for the next coming year, and in this way he could save the money. Okay, students, so this is all about the Nasir. This is the voice of Nasir. Okay, in the second paragraph it is written the voice of Nasir. Now we will discuss the voice of Rohit. Just see, again it is written here, voice of Rohit. Just see, students, if I had a huge amount, now Rohit was saying, if I had a huge amount of money, I would travel and travel. His desire was what? To travel and travel. He wanted to visit. His hobby is to travel. Just see, if I had a huge amount of money, he was saying that if he has a huge amount of money, he could visit each and every places of the country. Okay, students, just see. You are saying, if I had a huge amount of money, I would travel and travel. He was saying that he would travel and travel. Okay, for 1 to 3 countries. Therefore, he has a great wish that he has a huge amount so that he could visit everywhere. And just see where he wants to go. Just see, I want to see the mountains of New Zealand. He was also narrating that he wants to see what? Mountains of New Zealand. He was saying, I want to see the mountains of New Zealand because they look beautiful in the magazine picture. He was saying that the mountains of New Zealand looks very beautiful in the magazine's picture. Therefore, he wanted to visit there. He wanted to travel there. He wanted to go there to see the New Zealand's mountain. Okay, students, come to the next line. Because they looked beautiful in a magazine's picture, I wish I could sail down the Amazon River in South America. He had also wished to sail in the Amazon River in South America. He also wanted to visit South America and he wanted to sail the boats in the Amazon River. Just see, I could sail down the Amazon River in South America. He was saying that he also wanted to sail the boats in the Amazon rivers. His first wish was to travel and travel where? To see the mountains of New Zealand, and the second wish is there. He also wants to visit there where? In America, in South America, and he also wants to sail the boats in the Amazon River. Okay, students? And just see, on South America on a raft. On a raft means floating platform. It is a kind of floating platform. He wants to sail in the river Amazon. I want to live on the beaches of Lakshadweep, and he has also a wish that he wants to also visit on the beaches of Lakshadweep. Okay, students? So just see. I want to live on the beaches of Lakshadweep. And who is saying? Rohit was saying that he wants to visit the beaches of Lakshadweep. And dive down to see corals. And dive means jumped into. Dive means jumped into. You see. And dive down to see corals. And he also wanted to dive down. He wants us to jump into the river, in the sea, to find out the corals. Corals is what? It is a kind of precious stone. Okay, that seems very beautiful. It looks very beautiful. You see, dive down to see corals. And the writer was saying that he also wanted to visit near the beaches of Lakshadweep, and he also wanted to dive into it, so that he could find out the corals. Okay, students? So just see. I suppose I should go to Konark temple in Odisha, and he also wanted to go in the Konark temple in Odisha, or the old city in Beijing in China, and he also wanted to go in the old city Beijing in China. and pyramids of Egypt too. And he also wants to visit Egypt to see the pyramids. But what I actually enjoy is seeing nature more than old buildings. And he was also explaining that he wanted to visit the natural thing. Okay? He is not so much interested to see the historical buildings. He is interested to visit the natural scenario. Therefore, he was saying that he wanted to visit the Lakshadweep, on the beaches of Lakshadweep. And he also wanted to see the mountains of New Zealand. And he also wanted to visit the Amazon River. And he also wanted to visit to see the Konark temple in Odisha. And he also wants to visit Beijing, the old city of China. Okay, students? So, his desire is, his wish is to visit the places. Okay? Therefore, he was saying that if he had so much money, a huge amount of money, then he would travel all these places. Okay? So, his hobby is what? Traveling, visiting at the places to see the natural scenarios. Okay, students? So, we have also read about Rohit. So, students, today we have read about Radha, Nasir and Rohit. In the next class, we will discuss about Sarbjit and Dolma and Peter. Okay, students, if you have any kind of problem in these three children, okay, if any words that is hard to you, if you are not getting, you are unable to understand, then you can ask on WhatsApp. That's all for today. Thank you.